What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So according to the Apple discussion, people have recently started complaining about their M1 MacBook Pro sound speaker. They're saying their Mac speaker, the internal speaker is not working well, and other people are saying their one side of speaker is working and other is not. It can be a left or right. And some people are also saying while they're listening to music, they're getting some very bad crackling noise out of their speaker. Well, if you're having any issue related to your sound speaker, don't worry, we get you covered. In today's episode, we will give you the complete guidelines on how you can solve this problem. Alright guys, now the first way to solve your problem is to clean up your speaker, okay? And if you're just gonna go ahead and take a look at your right side and the left side, then of course you're gonna see your speaker. Now you either can use a brush or you can use a cloth just to clean it up, okay? Now you simply can just clean it up, and after clean this up, hopefully you'll be able to solve your problem. So let me just go ahead and clean it up. Alright guys, now quickly after cleaning your sound speaker on your M1 MacBook Pro, the next things you gotta do, you gotta just put your volume level all the way to high. Now to do that, just go ahead and take a look at your taskbar options, and then you're gonna see this sounds icon. Tap on there, and then just drag this option all the way to high, and quickly afterward just go ahead and check whether your problem is now solved or not. Now if you see still you're having the same problem, now the next things you gotta do, just go ahead and click on your Apple logo, come down here, click on your system preference, and then click on your sounds. Now in your sounds, make sure you're choosing output, and then check your balance, okay? Especially for those who says their right speaker is working or maybe the left speaker is working, okay? Now for those, all you want to do, just go ahead and just drag this option into the middle so that your left and right speaker should work perfectly fine. Now quickly afterward, the next things you're gonna just go ahead and take a look at that where your M1 MacBook Pro speaker is connected. Now if you take a look at this section here, there's a two options. One is MacBook Pro speaker, and second one is the Galaxy Buds. So that can be any wireless devices, okay? Now make sure to choose your MacBook Pro speaker. Well, if you really want to get the sounds out of your M1 MacBook speaker. Now afterward, just go ahead and check whether your problem is now solved or not. Alright guys, now after checking the previous process, if you're still having issues with your sound speaker on your M1 MacBook Pro, the next things you want to do is very simple. Just go ahead and click on your search, the spotlight search icon, and now type Activity Monitor. Now afterward, just open up your Activity Monitor and make sure you're choosing CPU, and now you have to type Core Audio. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and type Core Audio. Now here, you're going to see this Core Audio option, and just go ahead and choose the first one, and then all you have to do is just double click it, and then just simply go ahead and click Simple, and now enter your password. Just go ahead and enter your password that you use in order to unlock your Mac, click OK. And just simply go ahead and click refresh, and afterward close it down, and now just simply click on quit. Click quit, and after doing that, just go ahead and check now whether your speaker are being able to work properly or not. Now even afterward, if you're still having the same problem, the next things you want to do, once again, go ahead and click on your spotlight search and type audio MIDI setup, and now just click on the first one, and now here please be sure to choose your MacBook Pro speaker, okay? Then all you want to do, you can just pull this master option all the way to high, and right afterward just simply cross it up, click on your Apple logo and click restart, and simply go ahead and click restart. Alright guys, even restarting your M1 MacBook Pro, if you're still having the same problem, that means this is a hardware related issues. Now to solve your hardware related issues, you need to take your M1 MacBook Pro to the Apple Care. Hopefully they will solve your problem for yourself. Alright guys, so these are the helpful tips and tricks that you can apply on your M1 MacBook Pro to solve your speaker is not working or if it's making any crackling noise. Hope you find this video useful. If so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.